Calamity Dime Master Benedict Reyes Sr., the Super President Founder of the Philippine Benevolent Missionaries Association Incorporated, more corners to the world, Carvela Super President Master Ben Marie Reyes Sr., Super President of the Philippine Benevolent Missionaries Association Incorporated, members of the Knowledge Spring Coalition, Sir Robin Madrid the First, our Romanian President as well as founder of the Romanian International,
Okay, sorry. Akin natin ang mabilabig kong gusto mo daw sa district kinakasalan sa Double Pandemic Trail. Our certified security as well as sinasipagin sa municipality of San Jose Nagatalan sa Double Pandemic Trail. Sa ating creation, palakpakan po natin. At sa ating mga member of the board of directors sa DPD Incorporated, our DPD Incorporated national officials, our different delegates, Brown, at ating mga natin officials, race officials, sa ating piso. At our guest, visitor sa number 1, maing po sa inyong tanan! Okay mga kapatid ko, very thankful to number 1 for coming sa ating exercise ng Tahato 2009. Okay na sana po ang ating goal to participation, papatuloy po natin under ng hataw po or exercise para sa talan. Nandito sa ngayon, ulitin ko po, and bilang natin mga may officials, very thankful to number 1 na sana po tayong lahat pagmamahal na magkakaisa tulis ko na natin sa mga PDD with the NYU Race Pay and PSO. Ulitin ko, maganda umaga po sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much.
Abi man ako o greetings pa to. Okay, so isusunod na rin ang recognition of the local NOI officials ng ating guwapo, matipuno, macho, pero hindi na available. Sorry. Ating NOI National Secretary, Brother Aldrin Garganta. Thank you very much to our MC for this morning, Brother Mark. Palakpakan po natin. First, to our Divine Master, to our Supreme President and the members of the Spiritual Mission, to our mayors, to our national officials, sa atin pong lahat, mga lipunan, by the authority given to me by the Supreme President as the NYU National Secretary to the NYU National President, President Mr. Minister, my great honor and privilege to introduce to you to present to you the members for the Secretaries and Mindanao for the awarding of the certificate. Pag tinawag ko yung mga pangalan ng per chapter, please fall in line. Mauna po yung ating mga mauna po yung mga officers and to be followed by the members. Per chapter po, pag tinawag po yung chapter, akyat po agad dito at tanggapin po yung ating mga certificate. And may I request the NYU National Official and of course the recipe officials and the consultants to please be here on the stage. Once again, I request the officers of the recipe, Brother Manny, and the NYU consultants, the NYU National officials, is here on the stage for the awarding of the certificate. First chapter, Orzon, Mapapangmunos Revised Dia chapter, officials muna. Okay? Lipit di Pacolaw Aurora chapter. Darapita Maritaw Nueva Vizcaya, Ibon Villaverde Nueva Vizcaya, Liwayway Ipon Quirino, Papa Correa Mercedes Isabela. Taga Pumigaraw, Cagayan.
Official ka? Oo. Napakang...
So, mag-signal na lang po dyan sa baba. No?
Napaka-official ka na lang.
Okay.
Ano ko na?
So, officers po, officers yan. Officers yan. Okay, mag-signal po doon. Okay, pagpasalin niya po muna yung officers po ninyo, ha? Okay. Next, taga Pumigaraw, Cagayan. Tapos, Kalinga. Lumut, wow, Cagayan. Yan, mag-signal lang po sa baba bago akyat sa first chapter.
Ano ba?
Ang Bataw, Cagayan.